Come watch me create a batliner on my hooded eyelids. You don't want to look down, grab a mirror and you look straight ahead. I start with creating my line, ignoring the hooded part, just go straight over that. Then I create my wing and I'll fill that in. Then I'll create the bat wing. I did go a little bit too thick doing this, but you can do it to your own thickness. I also haven't really used the great perfect eyeliner pen at the moment, but I'll go over it later. This is what we're working with so far. I'll then create the curved line very slowly. Again, I'm not using the greatest eyeliner for this. Then I'll finish the outer line and fill in the batliner. So for a batliner, it's quite nice for a hooded eyelid because when you're looking ahead, it will look like it's a normal winged liner. But like I say, I've gone too big, so you can go smaller. I'm now going over in a decent eyeliner and sharpening up the lines. With any eyeliner, just generally take your time and concentrate on what you're doing. And as I always say, practice makes perfect. I never used to like eyeliner on my eyes because of them being hooded, but I'd say it's one of my favourite looks I like doing. I just wish I hadn't gone as thick as I did. You can create this on any eyeshadow look you do, or for myself, just a batliner. I then go in the inner corner. Nice and slow, bit by bit. And here's my finished results. If I hadn't gone as thick, it would look like a winged liner, but I hope this helps.